Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. I go with two trades right here. That's a very beautiful setup. I'm expecting upward movement from right here. Let me just open the pen real quick. I was just checking the lower time frame for the for the QM. Then I saw this beautiful setup. This is a demand. Let me just go to the 1 minute. You can see that we are at this QM area. I was looking for a sell, then I didn't see any entry right here. The best entry was up here. So I saw this buy position and this is minor uptrend. I decided to go with the buyers. This is also a gap down, so it confirms our trade, okay? About the confirmation, what is gap down? When you have uptrend and you're trying to go with the buyers, check if you have gap down, it's a positive confirmation. If you don't have that, that's a negative. If you have gap up, it's a negative confirmation. We're going with the buyers. All right, let me just see if there's any other positions. Okay. All right, we have a QM down here, but the price is gonna take a lot of time to reach down there, so I'm just gonna move on. Okay, this is a QM. Let's check this to see. I literally will trade everything I see on the chart. I think it's already getting rejection. So when we have uptrend and then all of a sudden we hit the previous low's low, this area as a QM area gets activated just like that. And then I go for confirmation on the higher time frame. All right, we have the 3-minute engulf and the price is coming back from this area. And let's go to the lower time frame to see if we have entry. All right, yes, we have this entry, but it didn't reach this entry point yet. It came back right after the QM's shoulder. This is the QM. So I can wait for this entry right here. I'm just gonna mark this. You know why it's rejecting from the shoulder? Because we have a setup. This setup, this is one of the advanced setups, but it didn't even touch that. So yeah, we're just gonna wait for this one to see what's going on. All right, go up. I kind of feel bad about this trade, to be honest, but I will take that. Let me just see. Okay. All right. Okay, I entered right here. I think that's a very good entry though. It's inside of this zone, but it's $50. If we lose this, nothing is gonna change. All right. So you know that I enter 200 per trade. 200, not 300. But when we have a risky trade, I go with 50. And also when we have a high, balance, higher balance than normal, like 10K is my target, okay? If we have a pretty close balance to 10K, I also lower the risk a little bit just for peace of mind, okay? So it's struggling right here. My trade is gonna close after, let me just see, after 1 second. Yeah, that was a winning trade. And yeah, it's reacting exactly from this area. And now, if we go lower, yeah, this is exactly what I'm supposed to enter. All right, good. Now I'm just gonna change. Okay, we have this overlapping level as a supply, and this is crazy uptrend, so I cannot really go against this for now. Have to see what's gonna happen. Start. All right, okay, so here we're coming down and this is the support area. This area basically is supporting the price and this is the resistance area for us. Now the price is creating this color pattern right here. Okay, I'll go with the sellers after this, but this time I'll go with 200. Let's see how it's gonna go. All right, we also have, okay, I entered right here on this common rejection point to see what will happen. I'm expecting a rejection. All right, that was a winning trade. I was going with the sellers here. I go with 50 because I really doubting this one because of the last movement of this candle. but based on the color patterns, I should have a red one. And also the opportunity here was basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sixth touch of this common rejection point gave me the rejection. My previous trade was a winning trade. And one of the reasons that I can take this as a sell is because you see an overlapping level. How beautiful is it right here? And this candle, after breaking that, gives me this opportunity to take, which we didn't take. And now we are trying to come back to the supply area. That's why another reason to take in this trade. But based on the candle's movement, sometimes you can say that the bars is just super strong because you don't see a lot of rejections. I noticed that somewhere here, so I take it with 50 to kind of manage that risk. So here we have the third touch, 1, 2, 3, and I can wait for this to close somewhere here to take a sell. This is also associated with this QM, okay? Exactly this area. I can just mark that and go to the higher confirmation in the higher time frame. Oh, we don't see any engulf, so we don't have the higher time frame confirmation. But can we still use that without the confirmation? No, we cannot, unless we can combine that with a very strong reason. For example, here, let me just mark that. For example, here, also this rejection. It might give me a very nice trade. I don't know. I have to just wait and see what happens. By the way, about the mentorship, it's still open. You can just sign up. This is 18 December. It's going to be open until 20 December, okay? For those who are interested. All right. So I will just add this here and go for other opportunities for now. Okay, we have a doji right here, but it's not a very safe doji. This doji created this QM for me. I think, I don't know, I wanted to take this with 50, but I kind of don't know about this. Okay, this one also. Okay. Oh, we have a doji right here. Okay, we also have this very huge QM beside this doji. I really want this doji to break to the upside. Oh, this one also didn't really. Oh my god, this trade was actually takeable. I'll go with the bars after this. Let's go with the bars. I go with the bars here. You know, because it's the third touch of the trend line. It's starting below the trend line. It's kind of, I don't know, but we have this previous resistance as a support. And this is one of the reversal candles closing on the level. So we have intersection right here. Okay. Oh, we have major uptrend, minor uptrend as well. Oh, that was a very nice trade. So when you have a trend line and you see strong pumps from the trend line, just like that, you can trust the trend line easier compared to a situation like you don't see a lot of strong pumps from the trend line. All right, this is going to be my last trade. If you're willing to join to the mentorship, it's going to be open until 20 December. So after that, we're going to be closed. Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.